Nature and health are at the heart of what builds a community and play a pivotal role in building a future of growth and prosperity. For 38 years, sourcing natural and healthy ingredients for food, feed and health industries has been at the heart of Shankar Group. Supported by our dedicated and committed team members, we combine scientific innovations and industrial excellence to deliver quality products at par with ever-changing demands. It all began in 1984 in the town of Gwalior in central India, with Mr. Ashok Mangaramani laying the foundation of Shankar Trading Company. By 1992, in just 8 years, with sheer focus and hard work, we at Shankar stepped into manufacturing lecithins and took our operations to the city of Indore. A decade later, we became the leading exporter of lecithins from India to Europe. With the second-generation leaders of our family-run Shankar Group, we have established a robust global distribution system for products exported to more than 40 countries across Europe, North America and Asia Pacific. While at one hand, our director Manish Mangaramani is leveraging the infinite potential of modern-day technology and machinery to diversify into manufacturing a wide range of products that are beneficial to the health of all living beings, while at the same time respecting and caring for our planet. On the other hand, Vinay Mangaramani is helping take Shankar to every corner of the world through various channels of marketing, making Shankar a true India shining brand internationally and making Shankar a top exporter of lecithins and phospholipids in the world. With the help of our visionary leaders, we are setting new boundaries in science through our R&D to develop innovative products and technologies that help deliver high-quality, sustainable and cost-efficient products, making us the flag bearers of nutrition, health and sustainability across the globe. Through our brands, we establish a strong and lasting affinity between our customers and our products. 1. Nulec. Nulec represents natural lecithins. Synthetic products are a threat to our food chain and its sustainability. Our plant-based products with sunflower, soya and rapeseed lecithins provide a healthy solution for emulsification and dietary formulations. 2. Inopi. Inopi represents innovative phospholipids. We endeavor to innovate development and ingenious manufacturing solutions to achieve high quality and set high standards to encapsulate phospholipids formulations in nutraceutical and pharmaceutical industry. 3rd, Apollo. Apollo represents A-grade feed energy oils for the needs of the poultry industry. Our brand believes in providing high-functional oils and fats from soya or rice bran sources to our customers, bringing cost-effective solutions to the ever-competitive poultry industry. The authenticity of our products is acknowledged by various globally accepted certifications and quality is approved by universal standards. To deliver such high-quality products through our various brands, it's important to use high-quality raw materials. We at Shankar have partnered with farmers across India who, like us, are driven to deliver quality products and are dedicated and aligned with our mission to deliver healthier and sustainable products. Moving forward in our journey, we at Shankar are committed towards growth and bringing together innovation and expertise to develop solutions and products which are sustainable and natural that help in nourishing and protecting the planet. At Shankar, we also understand our social responsibilities towards the betterment of society and we have partnered with various organizations to deliver on various aspects of our corporate social responsibilities. We aim at adapting practices which led us to become carbon neutral in the coming years and make the right use of natural resources and do our part towards the planet. We at Shankar envision a greener, healthier and sustainable future.